loves, welcome back to my channel. I do have another cleaning video for you today, but I just want to show you the products that I will be using to clean. I got new attachments for my Dyson V8. These are all Lanmu products, and I do want to thank Lanmu for sponsoring today's video. This one is really cool. It's the like long crevice tool, and it just attaches straight onto your Dyson. And I'm excited for this one. I'll show you a couple different things I'm going to be using it for, but I'm really excited to get down into my dryer vent. So you use this little attachment piece that looks just like your Dyson attachments to connect it. The gray side goes on the Lanmu product, and the red side, just like all your Dyson products, snap in. Doesn't make that good like snap sound, but it feels pretty secure. Yeah, it's a really secure connection. So that's how you can use these Lanmu products for your Dyson. I have the Dyson V8 and it fits perfectly. This next one I'm super excited about because I think it's going to give me those really good vacuum lines on my couch. And this is called the mattress tool. Same thing from Lanmu, available on Amazon, and I'll have all these products linked below if you have a Dyson and you're interested. So this one actually just has the red connection piece on it, and all you're gonna do is snap that on. And the third product that I'm gonna be featuring in my cleaning video is this extension hose. This part goes in, it has the red connection here, straight into your motor. You can get into little spaces by attaching another one of your attachments, which you can use any of your Dyson attachments for this long hose too. And instead of having to get this motor through into little tight spaces, you can actually just hold it. I have a lot of little spaces in my house, so it's convenient to have the hose to reach longer because this motor head does not fit in between those places. Again, just to recap those products I'll be featuring in today's video, this is the crevice tool extension, the mattress tool, which I'm really excited to use this on my couch actually, and then the long extension hose. You go pretty fast. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Andrea. I'm a stay-at-home mom with 2 little boys, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and I love to make videos about all things homemaking. So I have cooking, cleaning, and vlogs on my channel. If that's something you like, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's see how these tools are gonna work.
Okay, so the first thing I used was the long crevice tool extension, and it fit in there perfectly and worked really good. And I also wanted to just try out the long hose extension with my regular Dyson parts. That can work easily as well to get inside to the dryer vent, and you can also use it to get inside the dryer. Next, I'm going to use the flexible crevice tool extension again to get underneath my bed. So right now I'm just lifting up my side of the bed, and I'm going to use that to get into all the little crevices underneath my bed. And then I also use the long hose attachment as well. And I connect a few different Dyson attachments to the hose during this to get the duster on the baseboards and all that good stuff, and all of the attachments work really well with the long hose attachment. Both the the cushions and the inside of my couch needed a good vacuuming, so I'm super excited to try out the mattress tool on the inside and the cushions of my couch. Look at those vacuum lines. And by the time I was ready to do the second couch, my back was already killing me, so I decided to attach the mattress tool to the long stick from my Dyson V8, and it worked so good and it saved my back. So I do recommend doing this as well. And I'll show you just a couple more spots that the long hose attachment helped me get into better. So sense. I couldn't really get into those areas because the motor was just too big and in the way. This is another really cool product from Lanmu. It's the accessories wall mount, and it keeps everything nice and organized and all together in one place. Everything just snaps in, and it even has a nice little holder for the motor.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked these Lanmu products and you want to add them to your Dyson collection, all the links are linked below on Amazon, so can't beat that. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.